We've had some big stocks coming this week.
Do you want me to show the people what's coming?
Yeah. I was hoping that you were going to have a run. I thought you were waving your big woody thing around before.
Well, I am, but we're going to take a look at it first.
Are we? All right. Yeah. Let's have a gander. Welcome everyone into the studio.
We had a big restock of welcome. G'day. Happy Friday. We had a big restock of Kato come in this week, so it's all
about
big
you,
box.
Mate. Get your head out of the shop.
No, but people like to listen, see who's talking. Obviously, you can't decipher the difference between us. Big box Kato restock. So it's all the starter sets. We've got some international stuff. So you've got the Swiss train. We've got the German one, the Deutsche Bahn, the ICE.
The Deutsche Bahn.
I've been on one of these. Actually, quite a nice train.
Is it? Good runner?
Yeah, and I've been on one of these. Or not this one.
Fast
one? This is a fast one.
Is it?
This
How
one's
fast?
a luxury train. Oh, about 300 clicks or something.
Ooh.
This one's a scenic train. But then, we also got your favourite in. So the D51.
My personal favourite.
Which is why I brought the test track out. Because although Kato sets up nice and easily and is
plug and play and modular.
Ready to rock and roll.
My favourite things
have that amount of time.
In a train set. Yeah. Could we do it one day? Could you build a Kato set?
I could get out the CV1 set, which turns around in a very small amount of room.
Oh, you mean plug that in?
Yes, please.
I'll just come over here. Oh,
and hang on. Oh, I hit the camera. And if we get that out, we could actually set one up and run it around in a couple of minutes.
That's just me on my knees as usual.
Yeah, that's fine. You can stay down there if you want.
Oh, usually.
Dirty dog.
Hello.
All right.
What have you got there?
So, this is your favourite, D51.
Live.
What can you tell me about the D51?
Runs on water.
Fantastic.
And coal.
Yeah.
It's not an oil burner.
No.
And it was really, really popular in Japan.
I'm not going to argue with any of those stats. All right. So.
Was it really born in 1951?
I think it's earlier than that.
Why the 51?
This is the 51st logo. I don't actually know. Now, before we get this bad boy out, we did also get a restock of controllers. They're the black controllers, which I think look better than the blue controllers.
186 controller.
Wonderful controller. We got a bunch of these. They sell out really quick. So
I like them because you've got the dialing knob thing. Let's go to overhead town. Let's have a look. Let's show the people what they want to see. Look, you got this thing. So you can, and then you got forward, reverse. You can be doing this. Like both hands are busy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Is that how you drive it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Front to back, front to back, left to right. It's like a bus driver move. Somebody taught me once.
Oh, yeah?
You know the one?
Get you out on the dance floor?
Yeah. Why not? Toot, toot. It's DC, so I have to make the noise. You have to excuse me.
That's fine.
Well packaged.
Mate, it's Japanese. Of course it's well packaged.
And it's not environmentally friendly. I like that.
Yeah. Nice and
But they'd recycle that in Japan. They would recycle that.
They'd probably actually keep it all, to be honest.
What do they do with it?
Well, I've noticed, you ever look at the second-hand market of stuff in Japan, everything's got original boxes. It's all pristine.
They look after their stuff.
They certainly do.
Not like us heathens. Well, talk for yourself.
Let's get her out.
So is it the same one that you can buy just...
We do sell it on its own as well.
We do sell it on its own. It's the same thing. It's the same product.
Someone's got the power already turned on.
Yeah, I licked it.
She's ready to go. She's pulling away.
I licked it to confirm. You're good at putting that on.
Yeah, I usually use the
railer.
The railer, which this comes with. Which I could have.
Look at that. Straight out of the box. Look at it crawl along.
Look at that. That's Japanese precision engineering is what that is.
It's like a Casio watch.
It's fantastic.
Isn't it?
Such a nice thing. Look at that.
Let's go to overhead town. Let's show the people from the top. I'm not sure that we're going to get it. You're going to get it in frame a little bit there. Look at this. There you go. Sneaking across.
Toot toot.
Toot toot, baby. Choo choo. What would it have sounded like?
It would have sounded not dissimilar to some of our locomotives.
Did it chuff chuff?
Yeah, chuff chuffed.
Did it? Big steamer?
Big steamer, yeah.
It's got a light on the front.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
Big express loco.
Was it a passenger train?
Yeah, well, this one comes with some pass cars. Look, we'll whip them out. Hang on.
Jeez, it's a good runner.
That's a good runner. It's just Kato. It's just Kato things. So it comes with some little rolling stock there.
Could you take it apart and put little Will James in there?
You could take it apart and put little Will James in there.
I'd love that.
Bet you would. Ooh.
I'd just have little Will James everywhere. The same beard and everything.
There is a call for a 3D print of me out there.
He can put you everywhere.
Look at that. Someone painted one up once. It's on the Amra layout somewhere. It's not very hard because I wear exclusively all black and dark hair. It's like a pretty easy one to make.
Is it?
Yeah, and a beard. Anyway, that's your favourite.
That is my favourite, and for very good reason. It's a good runner.
It's bang for your buck too.
Starter set.
Hey.
Well, what would somebody be paying for this? It's like $600, right?
No, I'd say about half that.
What? He's serious, like $300 for a
300
train.
and a bit, yeah.
What? For the loco, the train.
Yeah, the track,
and
the
a full
controller.
load.
You are ready to rock and roll. Yeah. It's pretty good value.
What if I wanted to make it bigger, Will James?
We've got so much expansion track.
Really?
Yeah, oops, we've always got more coming. It's durable. Don't mind me.
I won't.
Yeah, we've got heaps. Come on in.
And you do just buy one piece at a time.
No,
You
you
don't
buy
have to.
heaps of it.
You can just get, like, I'm just going to say V1.
You can get V1.
Yeah?
You know,
And just-
also you get V2.
And just click it straight on.
Up to V6, 7 or 8.
Really?
Bang them on there. Yeah.
You just keep going.
Yeah, I love it. Apart from that, we did also get in some of the M sets. So that's got like loops with, well, one's just a loop, and one is a loop with a loop in it. So
Ooh.
if you've already got
Radius
N
too.
scale stuff and you want to just get some Kato track and get going, we've got them as well. They come with the controller. They're a little bit less, and you can add your own rolling stock locos.
You can put your gopher on there, right?
Just whack a gopher on there. You've got a B class or a 48.
Like XPT. What class is that?
The XPTs we'll talk about the XPTs if you do want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they like a little bit wider.
Than the V1s?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
they need a little bit more
A little bit more girth.
a little bit more width, yes.
Yeah?
Look at that.
I love the
Imagine
way
that.
it sounds.
You could just have that in your house.
Wouldn't you?
Run
Run
around.
around. The pug would love it.
Oh, the pugs would go nuts for
Wouldn't
it.
they? Does it have a reverse light on it too, or not just a front light?
That's a good question. Hang on.
It does have one on the front, but how do you know when it's going backwards? There's one on the back.
There's a
isn't there?
light, but it's not lit.
It's unlit.
Yeah. Oh, that's not even on the track properly.
If you wanted to, could you DCC this thing?
Yes, you can.
Can you really?
Yes, absolutely.
Is it plug and play, or you
No.
got to like solder up and?
You're doing a solder job.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not as straightforward as some other things. DCC in Japan is not a huge thing.
Do you think that the Kato will get onto DCC one day?
They do it.
They do.
They do their DCC controller and everything like that. But it's not super popular here in Australia. You're kind of more likely to get a hardwired decoder, bang it in, and get like an NCE system.
Oh, I do love my NCE.
You do.
It takes me back to the 80s. It's like a super brick mobile phone, isn't it?
Yeah, it very much is. Oh, look at that.
Jeez, good puller.
Well,
How
it's
much-
only pulling one, isn't it?
How much do you think it could pull?
I reckon it would actually pull a fair bit.
11?
Easy.
Easy.
I reckon it'd get 10 in.
Yeah?
Yeah, everything they make is like super strong, super good.
And it's not even been run in yet.
Look at that. That is fantastic.
You're alive. Look at it. Well, when you get down and look at it like that, what are you looking? Is it the perspective? Is
Yeah,
it
it's perspective. Look at that.
yeah,
Look how good that looks.
I like it. I'm not arguing with you.
Customer caught me doing that the other day.
Did they?
Yeah, they yelled out, "It's still a train." And I was like, "Yeah, I know." Like, yeah.
That's what you wanted
I
to
was
do.
like, "You want to come look at this thing too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
come closer.
Enjoy it." Yeah.
You could take a photo or video, it'll last longer, but it's not the same.
No,
Even in 4K.
even in
You
4K.
want to see it for yourself.
Yep.
I love it.
So do I.
D51. Get amongst it.
Ready to go.
That's all I've got to say about that.
Good.
Isn't it?
So,
Just need
apart
little
from
Will
that,
James to put in there.
Yeah. I'm here tomorrow. Come
What
on
have you
in.
got coming in the week? Rail-wise? Train-wise?
This week coming? Nothing.
You're not hopping on any steamers or anything?
No. July's pretty busy. I'm pretty full up for trains in July. I managed to swing tickets to Trainer Lights, Puffing Billy, which I'm
what?
pretty happy about.
What-
Puffing
what-
Billy are doing Trainer Lights again.
What does that mean?
They
Just for the
they run a
uneducated.
train
I'm asking for a
between
friend.
Lakeside and Gembrook at night, and it's all got lights all over it, and it projects in the trees, and
Projects in the trees?
it projects all these lights. You'll have to wait and see a video.
I'll have
I'm
to.
pretty excited for that.
Are
That's
you?
nearly impossible to get tickets to, and I just managed to get one.
What, just through the front door? No way. You
Like-
would have.
No, I couldn't even pull strings on this one.
Really?
Yeah, no, that wasn't. I could not. Like, I might have a little bit of pull here and there, but That was a no bueno. I had to wait in line like everyone else.
Good.
And I just got in. So I got 2 tickets for that coming up, which will be good.
Ah, you're taking...
yeah.
Yep, good. That's going to be great fun.
That'll be really good. She wanted to go.
Good.
Yeah. Apart from that, I've got members train next month, and I've also got... Oh, I'm going to Dalesford one of the weekends, so I'll go up and see.
A nice weekend away.
That'll be a really good weekend away, I reckon.
My wife loves going to Dalesford.
I like going to Dalesford too, but they've obviously got the railway there, so we'll go and have a we'll go and have a pop up there and play trains with them for a minute.
I've not seen the railway there.
It's quite a nice railway.
I've seen the one at Castlemaine and stuff. Is it the same?
No, different mob.
Is it?
Different line. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Got rail motors and go off into the bush.
Oh yeah.
Up towards Trentham, and it snows up there, so it's pretty good. It's
pretty cold.
It's fresh.
Pretty chilly.
Yeah. Oh, it'll be right.
You get crisp days. Nice.
It'll be good.
Real nice.
So yeah, July's looking pretty big, and then that'll run into August, which we've got Goldbin Exhibition.
When do you start gearing up for Amra?
Well, Amra's dates got moved to the second weekend in September, so I've started gearing up now, because there's nothing like being ready.
Yep.
So I've got a lot of stuff in production, a lot of stuff on order. So there'll be some surprises, some new releases.
Yep.
All ready for Goldbin, because Goldbin is first. So
you working the stall all weekend?
Yeah, I'll be strapped to the table.
Yep.
Shaking babies and kissing hands.
Yep.
Yeah. So
Fremo 9 will be there.
Fremo 9 will be at Amra.
Yep.
In September. At Goldbin, I'll have my micro layout. And
what's a micro layout?
I have a micro layout. It's only about this big. It's got.
What scale is it?
HO.
Does it just go forward and back?
Yeah, it's got like 3 tracks. It's got a traversal. I showed you a picture of it.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure I did. There's like 2 videos on it.
Oh, that's the one that you're shooting at your studio?
Yeah. I've been using it for the little reviews and stuff.
Oh, that one. I love that little layout.
Yeah, so that's going to go and jump in the car. That's going to Goldbin. And I also got into Rose Hill, so it's going to Rose Hill as well. But I will not have my trade stand at Rose Hill. I'm just going to have the layout there. And some of my mates are going to run the layout, and I'm just going to go and do other things.
You'll be cameraing and microphoning and stuff.
Yeah. So that'll be good. So lots on the horizon, lots coming up. Pretty exciting time.
Oh, it's the golden age of model rail.
I hear it shuffling.
Yeah. Could be just another toilet stop. It's all right. It happens at that age.
Yeah.
You get used to it.
Nah, very good.
I love it. Well, thank you for bringing it in. Thank you for that's my favourite loco. I think it's the first time I've seen it. Motor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh. I don't think you've ever bothered yourself to say, hey, come check out your favourite loco going.
Oh, well, you're welcome.
I like it.